Hi everyone, this is Angus, and today I'm going to give you an unboxing of this Senzer SG500 Gaming Stereo Headset. So firstly, I would like to thank Senzer for sending this to me to test and unbox. I will be testing this in this unboxing, and I'll be trying it with a couple of games, and I'll also be testing it with some music. So it's £27 on Amazon, so I would class this as a budget headset. So these headphones have two features which stand out to me. The first one are the ear pads, which are detachable, and the second one is the microphone, which is meant to be noise cancelling, and yes, I will be testing that in this unboxing. So taking a look at the packaging, it's quite simple. We've just got black packaging, we've got what looks like the volume rocker, and then this looks like the magnets, which is in the ear pads, and then on this side it looks like we have the specifications, nothing on the bottom, and then just the name on the top. So let's get it open. So that is it. So we have your adapter, which will be useful for your consoles. Then we have the instructions, quite basic. Okay, so my first impressions, they look quite good quality. I have reviewed gaming headsets in the past around this price point, and just looking at this material, it feels good quality. And like that feels sturdy. The headband feels very, very flexible, which is good, which is very good. We have the Senzer logo here. I'm guessing that is going to be a dial, which doesn't seem to twist, and it doesn't seem to press down either. But these headphones can definitely fold, as you can see. Okay, so that is super easy to take on and off. And that slots in perfectly. Let's try it with the other one. Yeah, that is very, very easy to replace. So I guess the benefit is that if you want to replace these, it's going to be very, very easy to do. The cushioning on the headband, it doesn't feel too thick. I like the design. It looks good. It's sort of like stealth black. And just another little small detail is on the inside of the ear cups or the ear pads, you've got right and left, which is a nice little touch. And then we've also got the volume rocker, so we can mute the mic really easily. In terms of quality, the volume rocker feels fine. And then we've got a volume dial here as well. And then we've got our audio jack. So let's put these on. So I've tried lots of different over-ear headphones, and so far these feel quite comfortable. What's good is that even though they are a snug fit, they're not pressing into my ears. That's something that I've had on loads of over-ear headphones before. They press into your ears and it just makes it unpleasant to wear. Where these, they're not pressing into my ears at all. So far the comfort seems good. Again, there's not too much cushioning on the headband, but to be honest, I don't think that's a bad thing at all, because I could see myself wearing these for a good couple of hours. So this is the built-in microphone from the M1 MacBook Air, and this is what my voice sounds like with some Sennheiser in-ear headphones. This is what my voice sounds like with the Senzer Gaming Headphones. So I've just listened back to those three different versions, the MacBook Air, the Sennheiser headphones, and these, and I think these do sound the best, but these do sound a little bit artificial, where the other ones sounded more organic and more real. Of course, it does vary because the MacBook microphone is about a feet away from me, the Sennheiser headphones was around here, and then the Senzer microphone is right next to my mouth, so it obviously it isn't the fairest test. But what I'm going to do now is do a background noise test to see if these headphones really are noise cancelling. So this is what it sounds like with some background noise on the MacBook Air. And this is what my voice sounds like with background noise on the Sennheiser in-ear headphones.
And this is what my voice sounds like with the Senzer gaming headphones with background noise. So I've just listened back to the example with background noise, and to be honest, I don't think I can actually say that they were noise cancelling. Yeah, maybe if I compared them to the MacBook, the background noise was a little bit less, but it is still there. So yeah, difficult to say really how effective it is.
So now that I've done a microphone test, I'm going to do a gaming test. I'm going to use World of Tanks Blitz on the MacBook Air. I remember when I was playing this that even though it is a very basic game, it does have a ton of sound effects, so that should put the stereo technology to the test. Okay, so I've just finished about 2 or 3 games, and I have been really impressed by these headphones. The clarity was good, and the bass was surprising. So for example, there were explosions and they were nice and deep. To be honest, overall, I think these headphones are really great. I probably am going to do a in-depth review of these, but so far they're great. I've been really surprised. On budget headphones, I usually find that they compromise on the comfort, but I don't think they've compromised on these at all. I do think that the noise cancelling, they should probably just get rid of that as a feature. But I do think that, the microphone is fine, and I think it'll be good for most people. So overall, I've been really impressed with these headphones. I'll add a link below in the description. Thanks again to Senzer for sending these to me, and thank you very much for watching.